Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix weak or distorted speaker sound on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is simply clean the speaker grill. This is the first thing we want to do. I always use a soft brush for it. So now let's go over here at the top. We got one. It's a little bit small, but we still need to clean it. And right here we got another one. So now, as you guys can see, I'm trying to get inside, and once you're inside, you should definitely just clean it out. Now make sure to do the same with the one that's right at the top here. And after they're clean, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and make sure to check the media volume level. So go to settings. Now in these settings, swipe to sound and vibration and make sure that media is at least more than a half, just like mine, so that you know that you can hear it. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna press the power button and keep on holding it until we see the power menu. And now we're gonna click restart and then restart again. So we need to confirm it with our for me is the touch screen, the fingerprint sensor. But as you guys can see, now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys once it is done. So after the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and update our software as a last resort. So we're gonna go to settings, INFINIX Note 60 Pro, click on check for updates, and make sure that you're on the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.